Hello everyone, welcome to Pravegaa Education. So students, lot of people have asking me, sir, whether we should join coaching or not. Is that right time to just join coaching or not? And how we will decide that we should go for the coaching because result is not coming yet. So yes, this is a very genuine question, and you should always think whether you should join coaching at a correct time, at the proper time. But and if you are giving this time examination, obviously it is very obvious that you will wait for your result also. So students, but how you will analyze whether your performance is good or bad? If your performance is not good, then I will surely say that for December examination and for the next GATE examination, you should join the coaching. But how you will understand that whether your performance is good, average or bad? Suppose your performance is average or below the average, then obviously you should join the coaching. And if you have already joined coaching, then you have to restart your preparation right now. And let's go to the data, and on the basis of that data, we can only understand what is going to happen. So this is the data of a last exam. In the last exam, 26,000 students give examination basically, but more than this number of students have filled the form, but 26,000 students give the examination, and there was seat of almost 600 students. So only 7%, almost 6 to 7% are the selection rate. So you can see in this chart, so the blue part is all the student who is just going to appear into exam, and this is the result segment. So yes, you have to know that this exam have very tough competition. And you can see all the cutoff of the last exam. In the last exam, that exam was little bit tough, and in comparison to this exam 2000 in July 2024, that it was little bit tough exam. So you can see that 43 or almost 44% is for JRF, and 40% almost for the net for the unreserved category, and all other category have accordingly. Maybe OBC have 37% almost, and net it has basically 33%. SC ST almost 30 and 6% for JRF, and 25% for net almost. So these are the marks. So if you are, and so now at this time it will be surely that cutoff will be more than that particular number, because if I have told lot of students and they all said that sir, the paper was little bit easier than the last year. And we have done one poll on our YouTube. So this is in our YouTube community, and I have asked the question that after 25 July CSIR NET Physics examination, what is your position? And I have given the three options. And the first option is I am above boundary line. And the second option is I am at the boundary line. And third option is I am below the boundary line. So I have just straightforward asked the question that whether, what is your condition? And almost 167 people have voted this one. And what we have get only 13% people are saying that they are above the boundary line. So yes, this data is almost matching to the result part. The result is almost 6 to 7%, and this is almost 13%. So if you will go for the larger picture, so some people from there can be also not going to qualify. So it is 100% sure that these people are not going to qualify. Who is at the boundary line or who is below the boundary line is not going to qualify. So students, you have to face the harsh truth. आपको ये हार्ड ट्रूथ को फेस करना ही होगा, whether that this exam is really tough. So students, if you have a little bit of confusion whether you will qualify or not qualify, then obviously it is very tough that you are going to qualify, unless until you don't have your marks almost 80 or 90, that is in the absolute manner. So students, so how you have to decide if your marks is not more than 80, then it is very tough to get the JRF for the unreserved category. And If you have below that particular marks for the unreserved category, then obviously you should go for your professional training and professional preparation of the coaching. So in this particular matter, we have again going to launch a next batch. This batch is again very important batch, and this is almost last batch for the December examination. So this is almost last batch. Maybe if a student wants, we can go for one more batch, but almost this is the last batch. So students, here I am going to announce this particular CSIR NET offline and hybrid batch. This is going to start from 10th of August. So students, up to that, you will also get your this particular response sheet, so you can know whether what is your condition in the examination, and be honest and just feel what is your condition, because your career is very important and you are the only person who is just going to, who has sole authority about the decision of your career. So students, if you want to do the sincere preparation, then obviously you can join offline hybrid classes of 10th August, and the same batch will be live also. So we have morning online classes that is going from the 10th August. This is also very important batch, and the final evening online classes for the NET December as well as GATE examination, that will be in the month of February, that is going to be 12 August. So this is the online evening online batch. This is the last batch we are going to launch, and after then we will go for the June examination. So students, here is the almost last opportunity that if you want to associate yourself with the Pravegaa education, please take care of your career, please take your registration, because now your offline classes seats are almost going to fill, because you know all this, there are a lot of restriction about the classroom and all this thing. So why we can also restrict our final number for this particular batch also. So students, again I am saying you that if you want to join offline classes, the date is 10th August. If you join the morning online classes, the 10th August is the date. And if you want to join evening online classes, then 12th August is the day. So students, welcome to Pravegaa. We always appreciate if you are just going to associate with us. And if you have little bit of doubt about your selection into last exam, then you should associate with us in any form of the this particular program. Thank you.